Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can add a knowledge component into a case record page. So in the last session of the knowledge setup in Salesforce, I have talked about how we can just assign data categories for a knowledge record, and I have shown like how we can just create new data categories and add categories into that category group, how to add child categories and all. And if you have not watched that video, I'll be adding that tutorial link in this video description. And I have talked about like after creating this data category like laptop repair in my case, so that how we can just assign that into a knowledge record. So this is a knowledge record about like laptop repair, frequently asked questions. So I have added that data category, like the subcategory keyboard and touchpad of laptop category, laptop repair data category. Like so this is under the child categories of hardware issues. So we can just directly assign a subcategory or a main category for a knowledge record. Like how we can just add by clicking on this edit, and we can just collapse expanding all the main categories, and we can just choose a specific subcategory, all or the child category specifically, or we can just enter select this main category like laptop repair as a generic. So this is how we can just assign the categories into a knowledge record. But in today's demo, I'll be talk about how we can just assign, how we can just place this knowledge component into a case record page, so that from the created case record, agents can just directly refer uh, already a knowledge base knowledge article into that case, so that it will be more efficiently agent can close that case record. So let me just navigate to a case first, and from the app launcher I'll be just searching for case, and I'll be just opening into a new tab, and let me just create a new case record. I'm just providing some random value like this is, I'm creating a case for laptop repair, and let me choose these options like case origin, phone, status new, and product. Let me provide the subject line, laptop is not working, and let me just create this case record. The case has been created, and I just want to place the knowledge component into this record page. So let me just edit the page, and on clicking on this gear icon we can just edit the lightning page directly, and we can land it into this case record lightning page. And in the component search we can just search for knowledge, and this is the standard component of knowledge, and we can just directly drag and place wherever we want to. So I have placed it in here, and let me just, and we can just see the preview of this knowledge article, and we can just make the container height more based on our look and feel, that how you wanted to. Like I made it to 1000 px, and let me just save this, and our changes got saved. And let me go back to the record page, and now we can see that in this case record page we can refer this knowledge component in here, and we can, and it's suggesting an article based on this case like laptop is not working. That is why it's suggesting one knowledge article like laptop repair FAQ. So, and on clicking on this collapse, we can just find this every details of the article like article number, publication date, validation status. These are the publication status, validation status. So these are the uh, key field values we can just find. And we can just search for different other knowledge article as well from this quick find, like it's showing the another knowledge article here, and we on clicking on it we can directly redirect it to this knowledge article record page. And we can just add filter as well, like if I just want to see all the published articles that features that filter we can just add, like validation status, validated. So this kind of filters we can add. Based on that, this will appear in the search knowledge. And from here we can, on clicking on this new article, we can create a new knowledge article as well, like providing the title, URL name and summaries. We can just create a new knowledge article. So this is how we can just simply add this knowledge component into a case record page, so that agent will be efficiently use this knowledge base to close the case more promptly. So I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce, Omni Studio and Data Cloud topics. So please stay tuned. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.